అయ్యో! Is voice clear? Started heavy raining. It looks rain is waiting for my class. Suddenly at 5 now started raining. Is the voice clear? Voice clear, but suddenly started raining today. I don't know what happened. It was waiting for this class to start. It was very calm earlier. Suddenly, okay, what I can do? Little bit. Okay, if voice clear, I will give some basic principles first. This voice, what happens is, if my voice can be clear for you, but I cannot hear my own voice, that is the problem. When I cannot hear my own voice, I have to shout. It becomes irritating. Just wait, little time. Heavy raining. Our upper side sheets are there. That sound is disturbing to me. Okay, we will start. What to do? I think it is. Now I am starting believing in superstition. Whenever I start the class, it starts right sometimes. As if it is waiting for the class to start. Okay, see. Yesterday, I wrote something here. Today, to make it fully compact, I wrote everything once again here. See, I already wrote everything. Now, those who want, make a note of the procedure. See, what I will do is, see, I will write procedure here. Procedure. Whenever I come here and dictate something, you should write down. Not now. Don't try now. After the class is over. After the class is over, go through, because the class will be uploaded. So after the class over, you take a paper and write procedure. See, I am not writing procedure here. I am dictating. Some sketches are required. I may use this sketch. But don't write everything here. What all I tell, write that much only there. Don't put numericals there. See, in the procedure, do not write numericals. Why? Because procedure is valid permanently. Okay, start. Now, some I will write here. Consider cross-section. Consider cross-section. See, imagine cross-section is like this. It can be like this or it can be like this. It hardly matters whether you are seeing smaller side here or larger side. Or you do one thing. In the general procedure, you write somewhat square type so that you can't make out which is longer, which is shorter. See, consider cross-section. Put this way. Cross-section. And write. The side you are seeing in the front view is S1. Side you are seeing in the other view, side view is S2. Then this is the axis parallel to S1, or in the front view you can see parallel. Make it 1, 1. This is the other axis. Make it 2, 2. Okay, now write one by one. Put a dot here. PU. Right there. PU is factored axial load. You should write here. After writing cross-section, write in the procedure sheet. In the procedure, do not write any numerical, so that procedure is valid for any problem. Right? PU is factored axial load. This is the cross-section of the column. It is acting perpendicular to cross-section. Getting so angry with the rain. But what to do? I am helpless. In front of nature, we are nothing. See, suddenly more severe. If it rains during problem, okay. During procedure, I have to talk more. Okay, now, write PU. Tell me, fully audible? Tell me, fully audible or not? Is it fully audible? Any problem? Fully audible? See, I wrote here procedure, not visible there. See, procedure, you write everything here. Okay. Now, write PU is factored axial load. Now, for our question, PU equal to, don't write here. See, when I come here, don't write anything. Why? When I come here, I am coming to our question. When I go there and tell something, that you should write in the procedure. Okay. For our question, PU 1200 10 to the power 3. Correct or not? I don't remember now. Is it correct? 1200 kilonewton. Is it correct? Even I forgot that also. Is 1200 correct? I think it is 1200. I don't remember now. I have not written that one. Correct now? Don't change later. Okay, correct. Okay, now right here. You write the side in the front view is S1, S2. One factored BM this way. See, this is the BM about axis 2 to, you call this as MU2. One factored BM like this. See, when you tell BM like this, it is about the axis 1, 1, MU1. Right? MU1 is factored BM about 1, 1. MU2 is factored BM about 2, 2. Considering everything. What? Bending moment due to analysis, or either dead load, live load, earthquake load, wind load, then comparing with the BM due to E minimum, higher value, then also considering any additional BM if it is there for slender column. That I already told you last time. So, how to arrive at MU1, MU2, already told you. So, this is MU1. Now, make a firm note. See, when you write this BM, see, this BM axis is like this. When you write this BM, axis is like this. See, put the hand here. MU1 axis, see, this is 2, 2. MU2 axis, see here. MU1. Furthermore, I can't tell. If you interchange these two, it is a serious mistake. Remember. Then, also, this is MU1. Next, now only decide. Later, we require gross area. Right here. Later, we require gross area. Gross area is S1 into S2 or S2 into S1. You can toss and decide. Whichever you want, you can take. Remember, as per SP16, gross area is B into D. B into D. But since area is there, it hardly matters which is B, which is D. Just multiply the two sides. But remember, that is for gross. But later, when you consider bending moment, at that time, D square will come. Then you should be careful. Correctly, you should decide which is to be squared. Okay, leave it. So here see. Our question, somewhere here, where I wrote gross area. I wrote somewhere. Where area gross S1 into S2 or S2 into S1. You can take whatever you want. For our question, 300 into, see, area gross is 300 into 600. Or you can write here. For our question, area gross is, I written here, 300 into 600 or 600 into 300. Whatever you want. Okay. Then, later, right here, later, a time will come when you have to define, when you have to consider the value of, see, when you have to consider the value of mu by fck into bd square. You can write one more thing. A term called PU by FCK BD will come. When you consider PU by FCK BD, BD is the gross area. You take S1 into S2 or S2 into S1. I'm getting really angry with the rain. Deliberately disturbing me. Up to evening, no rain. Yesterday 7 o'clock, today 5 o'clock. See, actually, if I show angriness, nothing will work out. It will stop when it wants to stop. In front of nature, we can't do anything. And one more thing, due to any net problem or any problem, if connection goes off, if the live stream ends, see, in Zoom, if the live stream ends, I can restart. There is an option for restarting. In YouTube live, as I know at present, once the live stream ends, there is no restarting. I tried it. Actually, it will be there. I don't know how to start. Therefore, remember, by chance, any reason in YouTube, if live stream ends, then immediately, you should let me know in the comment box. That what? You should write the comment box, not audible or we can't see anything. Give me 5-10 minutes time. Why? I should schedule a second live meeting and send in the group once again. What I will do? I will immediately produce a second, I will write a note there, second part. Thumbnail I won't write. I will write second part extended. And within 5-10 minutes, you will get a notification for subscribers and for these 4 groups who are coming to my classes, you get in the WhatsApp group. Remember, clear now? So I don't have to worry. If by chance live stream ends, net problem or any problem, see when it rains, sometimes net problem comes. So don't worry. You wait for 5-10 minutes or maximum 15 minutes. You get the new one. Log in. Clear? Okay. So otherwise a worrying factor. Now see, for PU by FCKBD, you take BD whichever you want. So this is no problem. But for the term MU by FCKBD square, you should know that your B is structural B. This is called structural B and this is called structural D. The most powerful term, structural D. You have to correctly decide. This I already told you long back earlier. Now see, how to decide I will tell now. Later I will not explain. Sorry. Someone comes little later, he will tell. Last time you took D 600, now you took 300. See, I forgot right here. One S1 forgotten. Axis 2, 2. Okay, Papa. This is your S1 equal to 300. Okay, millimeter. Somebody may tell, he is not clear, he is randomly changing. I will tell, leave my class. If you have no patience to go through entire class, want to come like an entertainment park, my class is not for you. Okay, now, start. Now only decide correctly, structural B, structural D. Actually, I should not tell why, thoroughly over. So, in my class, last time I am telling, how is the axis? Parallel to axis is always, what, tell me, B or D? How is the axis? Parallel to axis is always what? Parallel to axis is always. Parallel to axis is always. Which one? Parallel to axis is always. Fast. Once you draw the axis, parallel to axis is always B. Parallel to axis is always B and perpendicular to axis is always D. Structural depth. Remember, strength comes rapidly because of D. Double the B, strength become double. Double the D, strength becomes 4 times. Therefore, the critical term is D. So, see now, when I consider axis 1, 1, see, axis 1, 1, that is for MU1. See, when I take axis 1, 1, BM is MU1. For axis 1, 1 or MU1, parallel side is S1. So, structural B is S1, structural D is S2. Whereas, when I consider MU2, see, this way, then axis 2, 2, parallel side is S2. So, S2 becomes structural B, S1 becomes structural D. That is the correct principle. Or, you can make one note, easy method. Where at the time of deciding B and D, if confusion comes, very, very simple. This is a crude method. Remember, crude method. See, for either MU1 or MU2, you want to decide B and D. What is B, what is D? Because why? When you consider MU, squaring is there. If you do the wrong square, it is nonsense. See, 600 square, instead of 600 square, if you do 300 square, it becomes what? It becomes 6 by 3 is what? 600 by 300 is how much? 2. 2 square, 4. Instead of giving 100 rupees, you are either giving 400 rupees or giving 25 rupees. 25 rupees he will object. 400 rupees if you give, you are losing money. So be careful. The easiest method is, I told correct concept. See, MU1 goes this way. See here, this way. How your hand is moving. See, when you want to mark MU1, see here. See, your BM is moving along which side? Tell me. Actually, BM is not moving. It's a crude method. When your hand is moving this way, tell me, is it moving? BM will always move along the depth. Remember, not KSN statement. Somebody will comment, what? KSN is telling such a crude method. Not my statement. Some new person, not me. Some other person. See, I will cover my face. Not me. It is not me. Somebody who is telling crude method. I do not want to be insulted. Okay, no problem. If someone tells crude method means, I will tell, come, I will teach you correct method. So, how your hand moves along that is always structural depth D. Therefore, tell the answer. For MU1, you decide first structural D. Tell the answer. For MU1, tell the answer. Structural D first. For MU1, structural D is S2. Then helplessly structural B becomes S1. See, S2. And for MU2, see, for MU2, tell the answer. It is moving along which side? Tell me. Structural D. For MU2, which one? For MU2, structural D first. ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳು one fine day, if the opportunity, see, some advertisement will come, then screen will go. High time somebody teaches them a good lesson for all these things. They should tell, you put one unnecessary advertisement there and heavy fine should be there. See, live people, suddenly two escaped. That's why as soon as the column is over, I am telling goodbye into YouTube. How much? Structural D. S1. Will not repeat once again now. Only one person is giving answer. Others all what you are doing. This is called what? Lack of interest or not worth fit for studying from me. I told from beginning. Others what you are doing. Why can't you put comment? So for MU2, structural D is S1. Why? MU2 like this, S1. So B is S2. Remember, tell me, fully clear or not? Which is structural B, which is structural D, when you consider BM. Fully clear or not? Now rain also stopped, no problem. See, one more escaped. Very good. Very good. This is how you should study. See, I am telling this because I am feeling pity. People who do not want to learn. This is how the modern education system. No patience. Or maybe they're thinking, this I already told earlier, he is repeating. I am repeating because you are not knowing. I have seen the people. I have seen not once, 100 times I have seen. Whatever number of times I tell, people making mistake. I teach that way only. What is one? Some other. Clear? Okay. Now fully clear now. Okay. Therefore, I will tell one more thing. Remember, later you require D dash. I won't explain once again now. See, reinforcement will be here. How many you are going for reinforcement equally on 4 sides. So, either along S1 or along S2. Sometimes S1 becomes capital D. Sometimes S2 becomes capital D. Whatever is there from center of the bar, this distance, this is your D dash when structural D is S1. And this will become your D dash when structural depth is S2. Irrespective of whether B is structural depth or D is structural depth, your D dash equal to clear cover plus half diameter. See now. So, our question, clear cover for column reinforcement as per code, we will take 40 mm. Further, I can't discuss here. In the ETAP class, I will talk more later about, regarding column, so many things I will tell about spacing of bars, how to provide the detailing part, I will give in the ETAP batch. Here only design part. So, I take clear cover 40, I will assume 25 torr, just assume. Suppose you assume 25 torr, later go for little more on this side. Nothing to worry because effect is very small. So 40 plus 25 by 2 will be 52.5 is D dash. Later, you require a term called D dash by D. At that time, if your D is S1, take corresponding D dash by D and corresponding D dash by D here. Therefore, later, for this question, PU, MU1, MU2, FCK, FY, D dash over SP16 chart, I told yesterday only, reinforcement equally provided on all 4 sides. You should write. And chart number FY 500, chart number 47, 48, 49 or 50 in the order of D dash by D, 0.05, 0.1, 0.15 or 0.2. All I told yesterday. Okay, now. So, based on the D dash by D value, you decide what? You decide which is the chart number. Now, for MU1, don't write there, here. Don't write there because why? That is theory. When I come this side, it is for problem. For MU1, tell fast what is structural D. Fast tell the answer. For MU1, structural D is S1 or S2. For MU1, structural D is S1 or S2. Fast. Little fast you have to tell. So, S2, structural D is S2, therefore equal to not there. I wrote in the wrong place. Structural D is one thing. B over, here also, 1 minute here, B and D. 1 minute. To make more clear, let us give red color for D. Kempu. You are important D. You are important D. Structural D is for MU1, S2 equal to 600 millimeter. Therefore, B is black color will do. By important 300 millimeter. Therefore, later, whenever you consider MU1 and take capital D 600 mm, at that time, D dash by D will be 52.5 by 600. Tell the answer. 52.5 by 600. Tell the answer. 52.5 by 600 for our question. Answer. Give me for second decimal or third decimal. 0.0875. You get 0.0875. 0.0875. I told you round of D, you should write there. Once you find, after deciding structural B and structural D, you decide D dash. Then find D dash by D for both the bending moments and round up to next number. So 0.0875 means next number is 0.1. Take 0.1. Therefore, when you consider MU1, tell the chart number first. Chart number first. If you take 0.1, chart number. Later I am not telling which chart. How much time I told? If you consider MU1, corresponding chart number. Which one? 48. I will not explain once again. Chart number 48 for MU1. Same way, later when you consider MU2, your structural D is what? S1 equal to 300 millimeter. It's a weaker one. See, you can make out weak. Structural B equal to 600. That is, which one? Structural B is S2. S2 equal to 600 millimeter. Therefore, your D dash by D is 52.5 by 300. Answer. So D dash by D equal to 52.5 by 300. What is the answer? 52.5 by 300. 0.175. 0.175 is not there. We will take what? Here you will take 0.1. You will take 0.2. If you take 0.2 for MU2, tell the chart number. Chart number. For MU1, chart number 48. For MU2, chart number. Which one? Chart number. I wrote already there. MU2, chart number. Chart number 50. Okay. Now, this much I already told earlier. Now I will not explain. Okay. Now, further. Write some note here. Procedure, I am giving procedure also. Little later, we need a term called PUZ. Right? We need, you write the theory portion. PUZ. What is PUZ? Refer the earlier class told. Here procedure. The IS code has given formula for PUZ. PUZ formula, I won't waste time here. Have I written that one? I written or not? Yes. PUZ is 0.45 FCK into AC plus 0.75 FY into ASC. Either you call ASC, see there it is called ASC. But in SP16 it is called AS. So whether you write AS or ASC, tell both are same. Don't get confused. Area of steel, because in there it is for pure compression. That's why ASC. In SP16 it is reinforcement. Some bars are taking tension also. That's why they called AS. So your AS in SP16 and ASC in PUZ both are same. So this is the formula. Now FCK FY known. But remember, you need area of concrete. Area of concrete equal to gross area minus area of steel. Gross area is, yes, here right here. Gross area equal to S1 into S2. Therefore, area of concrete equal to S1 into S2 minus ASC. You write in the theory sheet. When you come to problem, your AC equal to AG minus ASC equal to 300 minus 600 into 600 minus ASC. Okay. That also clear. Okay. Now, this is all over now. I will start procedure for you. Write correctly procedure as I did. When I come here and tell something, it is procedure. When I come here, it is problem. 1 minute. If requirement is there, I tilt the board slightly. I may tilt the board slightly. I can go up to end if requirement is there. See, I may shift the board. At that time, this may not be visible for you. Later, if I got space problem, I will slightly tilt the camera. It may start from here. So, what all I wrote here, take a screenshot. See, what all I wrote here, take a, not here, don't start from me, up to here. Up to here. Up to here will be common for this question. This is where you are starting now. So, take a screenshot of this one, left side. Don't take right side. Take a screenshot of this portion. tell you are not required. Over, screenshot over. Right now take a screenshot, have ready in the screen somewhere. Have it ready in the screen. Over screenshot. Have it ready in the screen. Whenever I require, I will see the screenshot. Okay. Screenshot over. Now, start. Procedure continue. Design of, see, I already told you yesterday, but I won't explain too much now. Design of column subjected to axial load and biaxial bending is not direct procedure. It is by trial and error. For uniaxial bending, calculate if the only uniaxial bending is there. No MU1, MU2. If only one MU is there, find PU by FCKBD, MU by FCKBD square. Then using those two, get percentage. One thing is there. See, percentage of steel P equal to area of steel by area gross into 100. Therefore, once you know the percentage, if you want area of steel, it is percentage by 100 into area gross. For our question, once you decide the percentage, area of steel equal to whatever percentage you decide by 100 into 300 into 600. Remember it. Okay. Now, that is for uniaxial bending. In biaxial bending, you have to go for trial and error procedure. So, what you have to do is first write a statement here. See, I am not writing here now. You should write. Our procedure is trial and error. Trial and error. Okay. So, for trial and error, initially assume percentage of steel. Minimum, you should write the theory portion. Minimum 0.8%, maximum 6%. Depends upon your judgment. See, once this design is completely over in the YouTube class here, I am leaving YouTube and I already sent the link for you for the group, RCC group, and those who are in the RCC group and also ETAP SAFE group. I send Zoom link. So once this question is completely over, I will tell how to prepare Excel sheet. Why? If you prepare Excel sheet, it is very useful for fast solving. You don't have to write all this one. Very easily, Excel sheet. I told one Mr. Tushar to prepare the Excel sheet. He told he is out of station. Tomorrow he told I will prepare. Okay. By next week, you will get the Excel sheet in the group. So, Excel sheet, first I decided to do in the YouTube only. Then, yesterday I decided, okay, Excel sheet, let me continue the YouTube only. But the moment I saw your response today, now I am firmly decided Excel sheet will be done in the Zoom app only. That is only for my regular students, not for general public. No, this much is sufficient for you. If you are not happy, leave right now only. Someone will tell, no, I want it. He is not continuing. Leave now, right now, leave it. Right now you can leave. If you are not happy with me, leave right now. Okay. So, right, trial and error procedure. Trial and error procedure means you have to assume percentage I told, any percentage, not less than 0.8, not more than 6%. It is your choice. But once you get practical knowledge, in the mind, idea will come. See, some idea will come. Like, see, if you want, see, you know, for example, savings banks account, you get 4% interest. Fixed deposit, you get 7% interest. If you take loan for housing loan, maybe you get for 10%. Then, or if you take unsecured loan, more percent. It comes to your mind. Same way, as you go for more and more practice, mentally idea will come for you. Therefore, right now, anyway, that's why till you get the grip, that Excel sheet I am going to prepare after this class, in the later, second half of this class. Second half of this class, what I prepare Excel sheet is very useful for you to do fast calculation. Okay, start. But now, generally I am telling procedure. Extra information will not be given. Trial and error procedure. Assume percentage. Okay, see. Now, today's class, for this problem, I am taking P2. Remember, I am not writing 2% because you can write not wrong. I already told P is the percentage of steel. Once I write P is the percentage, it is 2. Like distance from here to some place, bus stand, main bus stop or railway station. I should tell what? Distance from my place to railway station is 6 kilometer, or distance from my place to railway station in kilometer equal to 6. Don't tell distance from my place to railway station in kilometer equal to 6 kilometer. No. So I already told you what? P is the percentage 2, or later next time when I put P, I will put percentage. That time I will tell P means percentage. This is called grammar problem. But I give him and somewhat mathematical. It won't affect your design part. Okay, 2%. The first, right, see, you are in the position now, right? Initially, assume percentage. Okay, I will take 2%. The moment you assume percentage, immediately calculate area of steel. How? See, area of steel equal to percentage by 100 into gross area. So, therefore, area of steel equal to 2. This will change. See, if it is 2 here, this is 2. Later it may change. 2 divided by 100 into 300 into 600 is 3600 mm square. So you get gross area of steel. Immediately calculate area of concrete. Gross area minus area of steel. You get area of steel, trial basis, corresponding area of concrete. If this changes, this also will change. Remember. Immediately substituting, get PUZ. How? Oh, not 0.4. See, 0.45. Okay. These are all called print mistake. Some will tell. Print mistake. Some always tell. Sir, if you make a mistake, print mistake. If we make a mistake, you make an issue of it. Yes, you are learning. I can make a mistake. 0.45 FCK into AC plus 0.75 FY into ASC, you get PUZ. Yesterday we got. Once you get PUZ, you find the ratio of PU by PUZ. Both are in Newton. So, unitless. Third decimal sufficient. It came 0.3609 came, or 3698 came, I think. So, 359 something came. So, third decimal 0.360 over. Now, once you get PU by PUZ, immediately calculate alpha n. Okay, 1 minute now. Alpha n. Y means wait for some time. Already told procedure. So you can refer. But I am making systematic. How you are going for Excel. See, I am solving the problem in the same way so that you can program in Excel. Okay. Alpha n. Alpha n you get from IS code. What is alpha n all? This class I will not tell. In the RCC batch I told. ETAB batch also alpha n. Why? Too much theory not possible. Now, rain fully stopped. To get alpha n, you require the value of PU by PUZ. Okay, now remember, make a note once again here. It is given in IS code. Right, in the procedure sheet. For if PU by PUZ is less than or equal to 0.2, directly remember alpha n equal to, tell the answer. Right, once again, answer, alpha n. If the ratio is less than or equal to 0.2, alpha n. Little past you have to tell, 1, right here, 1. And whereas if PU by PUZ is more than or equal to 0.8, then also alpha n not required. Answer, how much alpha n? Alpha n. If it is more than or equal to 0.8, alpha n, 2. Whereas if your PU by PUZ is above 0.2 but below 0.8, then for PU by PUZ equal to 0.2, alpha n equal to 1. For PU by PUZ equal to 0.8, alpha n equal to 2. Therefore, if you get in between, go for linear interpolation. So make a note. When you find PU by PUZ, if it comes to 0.2 or less than 0.2, don't worry, alpha n is directly equal to 1. In the Excel, you have to give command there. Whereas, I will tell in the class, in the Excel later, in the second half I will tell how to put that command in Excel. Whereas, right, in case your PU by PUZ is 0.8 or more than 0.8, again no problem. In the command, tell 0.2. But if you get PU by PUZ above 0.2 and below how much? 0.8, then alpha n, go for interpolation. Clear? Go for interpolation. Clear or not? Fast. 99% problems, you have to go to interpolation. Clear? Okay. Now, in the Excel class, I will tell you later, second half. In that case, PU by PUZ equal to, what I will tell you is 1 plus what? 1 plus 2 minus 1 divided by 0.8 minus 0.2 into bracket PU by PUZ minus 0.2. That is called interpolation. See, I got mathematical control. Okay. That I will tell there. Over. Now, therefore, our question, see now, PU by PUZ come 0.360. I wrote here, so 0.2, 0.8. Therefore, yesterday when you got alpha n equal to what? You got alpha n, how much? Oh, I forgot to write the answer. Tell the answer. I rubbed everything, but has not noted down. Tell the answer. Alpha n for this question. Remember, later, when PUZ changes, this will change. Alpha n also will change. Answer. Alpha n. 1.267, which can change later. 267. Over. Now write in the procedure sheet. See, I am doing both problem with procedure. Now, see, procedure now. Continue. Now, write a statement. For safety, see, for safety, now write, as per IS code, mu by mu to the power alpha n plus once again, with more space, permission, mu by mu to the power alpha n plus once again mu by mu again to the power alpha n should not exceed 1. Now be careful. Numerators are the real mu1, mu2. This mu1 is, for our question, 100 10 to the power 6. This mu2 is 116.08 10 to the power 6. The numerators are this I told yesterday so thoroughly. I am wasting my time. Numerators are direct action. Denominators are mu01, my symbol, mu02. IS code use some other symbol. When you enter mu0 means they are capacity. They are capacity. This you have to get using SP16. This capacity you have to get using SP16. Now, mu1 known, mu2 known, alpha n known. Therefore, our 2% steel provided is sufficient or safe or is safe or unsafe. If safe, is it uneconomical or wastage, or if unsafe, you have to increase. All you can decide if you get the value of mu01 and mu0. Remember, mu0 means base level. Remember, base level. Now I can tell further. When I use the suffix mu0, IS code used mu1. They told, leave IS code. Numerator is plain action. Now you need denominator. So therefore, mu01 means with respect to axis 1, 1. mu0 means with respect to axis 2, 2. So now your question is what? To find what? Now your question is to find, visible from there. Now your question is to find mu01 and mu02. Fully clear? Fully clear or not? Now our procedure pending is to find mu01 and mu02. Clear? find one by one. Start. Right. General procedure. Nodi. Right here. First, general procedure to find mu01 or mu02. I am telling there. See, you should write procedure sheet. I will show my hand here. Somewhere there you are right. Procedure. General procedure to get either mu01 or mu02. Okay. But one by one. Start. What you have to do is consider one of them. Consider what? Consider mu01. mu01. If you consider mu01, tell fast what is the chart number. Tell me. Chart number fast. Tell me. Decide the chart number which is already known to you. Chart number. Fast. When you consider mu01, chart number. Fast. Corresponding to mu1, chart number. Next time not explaining this way. If you consider mu01, chart number. Chart number 48. Chart number 48. And, okay, chart, by reason, now I am not wasting time. Written here for mu1, chart number 48 over. Okay, now start. You require once PU by FCKBD. You can do one thing. Before you start, you can do one thing here. See, before you start, you in the beginning only find the value. 1 minute now. I can save a little space here. Therefore, for PU by PUZ equal to 0.360, your alpha n equal to, how much answer? Alpha n equal to, it told 1.267. Okay, 1.267. Okay, now also get one more thing which is common for both. Whether you find mu01 or mu02, you require PU by FCKBD. See, when you get PU by FCKBD, which is B, which is D is not required. So you first calculate PU by FCKBD. Tell the answer. PU 1200. This is called advance booking. Advance booking for both. Advance booking for both. 1 minute. You have to do one more thing. 1 minute here. Okay. PU by FCKBD is 10 to the power 3 divided by FCK is 25. B into D is there. It is your choice. Either write 300 by 600 or 600 by 300. Whatever way you can write 300 by 600. Tell the answer. Give for third decimal. What is PU by FCKBD? Answer. Answer. 0.267. Thank you. 0.267. Okay. Then, see, later this number will not change unless you change the cross section. Remember, unless, see here there is no percentage of steel. This will be constant. If you are not changing the cross section or changing the strength of concrete FCK, percentage will not come here. So this is a permanent number. You need not find every time. But if you change the cross section or if you change the grade of concrete, this will change. Then one more thing. What percentage you assumed, you get the value of that P by FCK. Now only get it. P by FCK, common. This is called advance booking. These two are required there. Advance booking, P by FCK. You have taken 2% steel divided by FCK 25. Answer. 2 by 25. Answer. Fully visible? Fully visible or not? 1 minute now. Fully visible? Actually, 1 minute here. I'll see. My body is covering there. I check it. Visible. How much answer? 0.0 now. What is 0? 0.00. What is that one? 2 by 25. What is, where you get this answer? 0.00 now. Oh, sorry. 0.08. 2 by 25 is 0.08. Okay, 0.08. Remember, black value means this will not change. But remember now, not black value, red value only. Why? Because if you change the percentage, this will change. 0.08. Now, start. Procedure. To find mu01, mu2, chart 41, 48. Start. You write for PU by FCK BD equal to 0.267 and this will change and your P and P by FCK equal to how much answer? 0.08 from chart number 48. You get what is the value of mu by FCK into BD square. Fast, tell me answer. Start. This I told you earlier. See, last class, go back to earlier class. I have given a warning for you. If it is a uniaxial bending, you get PU by FCK BD, mu by FCK BD square along y and x. Intersection will give you P by FCK. Now ulta. You go along the y by P by FCK BD, then mark that point of what? In that line, mark that point of P by FCK as nearly as possible. Come down and get mu by FCK BD square. See, if it is uniaxial, what you do? This way mark PU by FCK BD, this way mark mu by FCK BD square. Intersection will give you P by FCK. If it is uniaxial, right, already over. If it is biaxial, what you have to do? I already told earlier, I am wasting time. Then along the y mark what? PU by FCK BD and go this way. Charts are there. 0.08, if it is not that, decide. You decide that point based on P by FCK. Come down and tell me what is mu by FCK BD square. Now I will not explain for you. Answer. Earlier only I told you. See, tomorrow next class when I go to biaxial, that time I told you. Uniaxial, go along y, go along x, get the intersection P by BD. Biaxial, go along y for PU by FCK BD. Then from there go this way, locate that our P by FCK is known for you. Come down and get mu by FCK BD square. When I close this YouTube class and go to Zoom app, when I continue the class in Zoom, I will tell you how to arrange it in Excel sheet. Second half. In the second half, I will tell you. Further, general public, this much is sufficient. First of all, this much is over sufficient. Answer. Don't give wrong answer. Correct answer. You see, if somebody who is going to this class, you see, this class will be permanent there in the YouTube. Later, I know it. If not today, tomorrow. If not tomorrow, next month or next year. A day will come when all my classes will be viewed much, much more. I am sure. I know the quality of my class. I am not self-boosting. I know the quality of my class. At that time, somebody may comment that value is wrong reading. Then I will tell, then you should have come to the live class and told me. I am not seen. It is one of the viewer, one of the student told, I believed. Important is procedure, not numerical. If wrong, correct it. Such comments I will tell are banned. See, one person I can't believe. At least one more has to give. I cannot depend on one person. One more person required. Only one person, I cannot decide the answer. At least because why? Sometimes it is a very odd answer means I feel very bad. Tomorrow somebody tells, he told 0.14, actually it is point not something. What is this class? He does not know how to read SPC chart. I will tell, not by me, somebody there has given. Why should I refer? Correct? Okay, done. Now, unanimous democratic country, we get 0.14. Okay, now, remember. Therefore, Once you get, see, once you get mu by FCK BD square, immediately get what is mu. Mu equal to, cross multiply, 0.14 into FCK. 0.14 will change later. Remember, 0.14 will change later. 0.14 FCK into BD square. Substitute 0.14 may change later. It will change next time. 0.14 into FCK is 25. Structural B for mu1 is 300. See, is 300. And structural D for mu1 is 600 into 600 square. Be careful. 600 square. Tell the answer in 10 to the power 6 Newton millimeter. Fast answer. Tell the answer in second decimal 10 to the power 6 Newton millimeter. Fast. You get mu value 378 kilonewton meter. How much? 378. You write that way and write this mu is, that is what? Is nothing but, tell me, this mu what you get is our, not mu1. Tell what? From the strength calculation, whatever you got by that SP16, this mu is nothing but what? Tell me. Which one? This mu, what you get from the interaction diagram is nothing but what? This is nothing but your mu naught 1. See, your mu naught 1. Okay. Fully clear? Tell me. Fully clear or not? This mu is nothing but our mu naught 1. Full clear? Now 1 minute now. See, little problem because I want everything in the compact form. Okay, okay. I will manage. Don't worry. Don't bother here. Okay, little time gone. Okay, I am saving the space. We get mu, we get, and we get, okay, we get mu by FCK BD square equal to 0.14. Therefore, your mu equal to that number 0.14. I am saving space so that I want complete question compact now. So that this way if you do means see, full control will come. BD square equal to, I can write here, equal to 0.14 will change later, equal to, continue, 0.14 into 25 into structural B is how much? 300 into 600 square equal to, I can write here, equal to 378. Now see, I got full space. 378 Childrebeda 10 to the power 6 Newton millimeter mu1. That is our mu naught 1. Okay, mu naught 1. Okay, now beautifully arranged. Complete question is arranged in single page so that screenshot is not required. Okay, now start. Consider mu naught 2. Now do one thing. In the same way, get the value of mu naught 2. I should not explain. Consider mu naught 2. Mu naught 2. Okay, start. Once again, see. For PU by FCKBD will not change. How much? 0.267. And your P by FCK, hey, FCK, what happened? Why you got rubbed out? Come here. Okay. P by FCK, at present it is 0.08. Why 0.08? Because your percentage is what? 2%. 0.08 from chart number. Tell me, chart number. Chart number first. I am considering mu02. Chart number first. Chart here. Where I wrote chart number? Or I can do one thing. I write here only for mu01 chart number 48. This is best thing to do. Chart 48. For mu02 you write now chart number 50. So that no confusion in future. Okay. And P by FCK equal to 0.08, which will change later, 0.08. We get mu, we get what? We get mu by FCK BD square equal to, answer first. Using chart number what? 50. Tell the answer. As answer first. .11. Okay, I will agree with you. You get 0.11. Okay. Someone has to confirm. One person, at least one more person has to tell same answer. Little decide. See, these are all your personal. See, therefore, little here and there, no problem. Reasonably okay. Someone, Nandakumar told 0.11. One more told Sachin told 0.11. Okay. Reasonably okay. Our important is procedure, 0.11. Right. 0.11 over. Therefore, your mu equal to 0.11 into FCK is 25. Now our see, when you do mu02, our structural B is 600, structural D is 300. Be careful. Into, I should write here. Therefore, I written there mu equal to 0.11 FCK BD square or equal to 25 into B is what? For mu2, your B is 600 and D is 300 square. Answer fast. Tell the answer. In 10 to the power 6 Newton millimeter. Answer. It took 148.5. Are you sure? 148.5. Against bantu 37. Correct. 148.5. 148.5. 10 to the power 6. That is nothing but your mu02. So finally we got mu01, mu02. Everything is over. Procedure. Now substituting, right? mu1 by mu01 to the power alpha n plus mu2 divided by mu02 to the power alpha n equal to, I will write here now, see, these are ratio of bending moment. You need not waste time putting 10 to the power 6. Why? When you find ratio, here units are important. When you find ratio, unit is not required. Put you remote, see 10 to the power 6, both places is there. mu1, 100. mu1 is 100, it is permanently 100. Divided by mu01, where you got 378 to the power, how much? Alpha n. Where is alpha n? Alpha n. To the power 1.267 plus mu2 116.08. 116.08 divided by mu02, you got 148.5. That also power 1.267. Tell correctly what is the answer. This is your LHS. You substitute for LHS and compare with 1 and decide safe or not. Number. Substitute. Answer. It was back. Shall I come tomorrow after 1 year? Shall I come after 1 month? Why? Substitution required. 0.9173. Are you sure? No, one person answer I can't depend. I want more people. At least one more person has to give the answer. After some time, someone should not tell, sir, wrong, sir. 0.917. Okay. This is 0.917. Okay. 0.917. Compare. This is less than 1. Therefore, tell me, our conclusion, safe or not? Conclusion. Our conclusion, safe or not? Safe or not? First, conclusion. Safe. It is safe, no doubt. Not only safe, also, what? Tell me. It is safe, no doubt. Not only safe, but also, what? It is safe, no doubt. But also it is. When you use 0.917 means, it is safe, not only safe, also. It is not only just safe, also. It is safe, no doubt, but also, something tell me. This much time you require, tell the verdict. It is not only just safe, but also extra. This much time you decide that extra term. Safe, no doubt, but also some extra conclusion. Economical. Safe and economical. Economical. Right here. Therefore, for the column considered, percentage of 2 is okay and provide. Therefore, write problem ends here. Problem ends here, or this our procedure part ends here. But make a note now. Procedure, what you have to write? Compare find the LHS, compare with 1. Write a note there, procedure sheet. If you get less than 1, it is safe. Okay, you sit and tell, because you need not see my face now. You did write it. In case you get less than 1, it is safe. But if you get less than 1, say 0.8, 0.9 means very good, economical. But some people, what they want is, they want a margin more. They tell safety margin of 0.9, almost coming critical. No. Give a little more steel. Then they, instead of 2% steel, they can go for 2.5% steel. Okay, 1. But suppose your answer comes to 0.2, 0.3, means unnecessarily, suppose you give 0.2 or 0.3, then unnecessarily you have provided high extra steel. That much steel is not required. See, suppose you got 0.2, 0.3, then safe, no doubt, but highly uneconomical. Then reduce the steel so that economy is maintained. And also note, in case it comes more than 1, it can come anything more than 1, then outrightly it is unsafe. Then you have to increase the steel up to a limit. Now, see the number. If it is instead of 1, if you get 1.08, 1.09, slightly increase the steel. Suppose you get 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, increase the steel furthermore. That is called trial and error. For that, the Excel sheet, which I am explaining for you now, once I leave YouTube and I continue the class in Zoom, is very useful. So I will tell you in the Excel sheet, in the Zoom app, continuing only for my regular students. Okay. There I will tell what to do. And Remember, whatever you do, when you change the percentage, the variation is not linear. Therefore, any changes you make, you have to once again revise. Okay, now we can tell this question is over, but still do one thing, right? One note right here. Note. We got 0.917. See, we got 0.917. Someone is telling you 0.917 safe, little steel wasted. You can tell him what wasted. 0.9 risk. You will tell no. That PU, MU1, MU2 are all exaggerated. They are actually already highly magnified. Therefore, he will tell you go to directly one. And one more thing. Earlier ETAB batch, I solved a column question. I could not get it here. Sheets are missing here. It is there somewhere. Where I made 7-8 trials. Finally, I got 1.8 or 1.9 I got. Highly unsafe. I changed to percentage I increased. Suddenly dropped. Fluctuation. That 5-6 trials I made. Finally, I bought the number 2.999. That problem, once I get it in the bundle there, I will take Xerox copy, I'll take photo and send to the RCC group and ETAB group. Now, right here. In the class, now, see, it came safe, but someone will tell, it came safe, but he is not teaching how to redesign. Therefore, for learning purpose, write a note here. Note. Safe, no doubt. You write here. Safe, you should write. I am not writing. Why should I write? Safe, no doubt. Reasonably economical. But someone is telling you, why don't you try to make it 1? Okay. Then, we will not give 2% steel. We will slightly, what, tell me? Tell why I am telling. So that you learn, general public, they learn if you change the value, how to redesign. Because who knows, if it becomes unsafe, you should know how to once again do it. So for their sake, I told you, when I take a class, even though see I told you, I am continuing only with the group, I am stopping here, but what I do perfect. I never do something, I was like that, I never do. Therefore, for learning purpose, see suppose it is unsafe, you should know how to redesign. So, to make it further economical, our purpose is how to redesign. I will slightly tell what? Reduce the percentage or increase the percentage. Tell the answer. Shall I reduce the percentage or increase the percentage? Shall I reduce the percentage or increase the percentage? First. Increase. Ayyo, yarapadu. This is extremely good. That answer is out of this world. I took 2% steel. It came safe. I have to increase the steel, correct? Then how this idea comes first of all? When I took 2% steel, my ratio came 0.917. Now, I do not want to waste steel. So I have to reduce the steel. I will do one thing now. Just for fun, I will try 1.5%. Just for fun. Okay. I am so sure it is what? Tell me. If I try see, when you get the Excel sheet in later second half, then you try, and Tushar will make it ready by tomorrow, day after tomorrow. I will send in the group. Then all this you feed to Excel, and within no time you get the answer. Clear? Once you get the Excel sheet, you will get in your group. Then you can do it very fast. So today manual calculation. So if I try 1.5%, now I have to again redesign. Start. Fresh calculation. Start here. See. I am changing number from here now. These all I am rubbing out now. See. I will rub this one. Fully rubbed out. I am writing fresh from here. I will try trial number 2. I am going for 1.5%. Answer fast. Fast answer. 1.5 by 100 of, see, I told you, when I take something, I never do eye wash. Even though I am going to stop now, what I do should be perfect always. Answer. 1.5 by 100 into 300 by 600. Fast, give the answer. Fast, give the answer. Don't waste time. 1.5 by 100 into 300 by 600. You give high speed answer, we can finish fast. 2700. Okay, I am changing now. 27, red color is changing. 2700. Then area of concrete. Subtract 2700. Answer fast. Area of concrete. Change it. Tell me fast answer. You get ready. Don't waste time now. Start. Area of concrete. I want perfection. Area of concrete. This much time for area of concrete. 177,300. Okay. 177,300. So 0.4525 into 177,300. 0.75 FY into 2700. Tell the answer. What is PUZ? Fast. PUZ. But remember, these all you can do without writing anything using Excel, which you get in the group next week. Or this weekday, RCC batch and ETAB batch, Excel sheet I will give you. Prepared by Tushar, you silently thank him there. When you get that one, you don't tell me thank you. You tell thanks Tushar. He is the one who will prepare it. 3007.125. Okay. 3007.113. Okay. Now, PU by PUZ. Answer. PU by PUZ. Answer. PU by PUZ. Fast answer. You keep on giving answer. PU by PUZ. I want at least one redesign. See, only one trial if I do, people won't learn. Once I do second trial, everybody will learn now. They know how to fluctuate. PU by PUZ. Answer. You should give little fast answer. Should not waste this much time. PU by PUZ. 0.399. Okay. 0.399. Okay. Answer. Interpolation. For 0.399, what is alpha n? Bega. Answer. Alpha n. Interpolate. For 0.399, answer. Answer. Alpha n. Interpolate from 1 to 2 and get for 0.399. Answer. You should give little fast. This much time you should not waste. This is because of the lag problem. I am helpless. Once the lag is over, I overcome the lag. 1.331. Thank you. 1.331. Then PU by FCK will remain same. P by FCK will become 1.5 by 25. Answer. 1.5 by 25. Answer. 1.5 by 25. Answer. Little fast. 1.5 by 25. 0.06. Okay. 0.06. Now tell the answer. For this will remain same. For 0.06. Tell this number. This number. Number here. For chart number 48. For PU by FCK BD 0.267 and P by FCK 0.06, tell this number, unanimous answer. 2% should tell the answer. As correctly as possible, at least 2 people should comment. At least 2. Others I don't bother. That's why I am going to stop now. Only 2 names are there in the chat box. What others are doing? First of all, not coming live. I told come live. This is not a joke. And then there also, keep quiet. No, don't want to participate means I told not deserving for learning from me. Answer. Number. 0.095. Okay. One more person. One more has tell. I can't depend only on one person. Second person has tell the answer. I do not want tomorrow, by seeing YouTube classes, comments on me. He does not know how to read the graph like that. I do not want tomorrow some comment. This person does not know how to read SP16. I will tell him, come in front of me. I am telling here, it is not my reading, students' reading. One more person has tell answer. Only one answer not sufficient for me. Someone told 0.095. If another person tells same means okay, I will proceed. Don't tell for fun same. If you get very nearly same, tell same. At least one more person. He should tell same. One more reason is there. You can see when you change the steel, how see the shape and shape will fluctuate not by same margin. They will be changed. See, when you change 2% to 1.5%, that proportion, safety and unsafety will not go. It will go some other order. Same, okay. 0.095. If it is 0.095, tell the answer. 0.095 into 25 into 300 into 600 square. Answer. Fast. 0.095. See, you can make out when you change, it is not changing in the same ratio. Some abnormal way it will change. That's why in the class, when I teach something, I want perfection. I want to tell everybody I should know how the changes will come. Don't go for interpolation. Oh, when I took 2%, that number came. When I took 1.5%, this number will come. No. 256.6. 256.6. Next. Consider MU02. Chart number this one. Tell the answer now. Chart number 50 for 0.267 and 0.06. Tell this number. Fast. Change to chart number 50. Tell one more number. Go to chart number 50 for P by FCK, PU by FCK and P by FCK. Tell some number. It will come less than 0.06. It will come less than 0.095. I know. Y means I know subject. I know subject. As the chart number increases, MU by FCK BD square will decrease. Y means reason is there. It has got reason. That's already over. Tell next number. See, somebody watching later, what he will tell, he is taking class, he keeps on waiting, people are not giving answer. That is because of the lag. If you comment, I will tell, if you want to learn from me or leave it. Who told you to, who forced you to come here? I am not that type. Request, please, I never tell that way. 0.092, okay. 0.092, okay, done. Agreed. 0.092. Okay. If it is 0.092, it is 0.092 into BD square. Here it is MU. Your MU equal to 0.092. Answer, fast. Answer, over. 0.092 into 25 into 600 into 300 square. Answer. 0.092 into 25 into 600 into 300 square. Answer fast. Now you cannot tell, sorry. For chart number 48, MU by FCK BD is 0.12. Now you cannot tell that way. Sorry, not considered. You should have told me earlier. That's why I tell. I asked you 2 times this one. If wrong, you are only responsible. I cannot change that way. Sorry. You should have been 0.095. Sorry. I am not considering it now. That is your mistake. Who told to give wrong answer? Who is the one who supported it? Very sorry. These things I get royally angry. For such things, not for your name, not for you. I get solid angry for such things. That is called deliberately spoiling the class. When someone told the answer and someone later tells wrong means I am helpless. Okay, tell the answer. Is it wrong? Okay. Anyway, we are here only. Is that 0.095 wrong? Okay. Next time remember. Sometime in the class, if it is the college class, I will walk out immediately. Immediately I will walk out. I will tell no, class over. 1 minute. This is how much? Just 1 minute now. What to do? Tell me. Is this 0.095 wrong means tell the correct answer. I will correct it because why? This is a permanent in YouTube. I do not want tomorrow to change. I do not want tomorrow someone to comment. So, okay, no problem. Tell the answer. If it is not 0.095, tell what is the answer. Someone is telling 0.12. Last time somebody agreed. Okay, 1 minute. Once again, see, this is called time waste. Okay, once again go back. For 0.267 and 0.06, chart 48, is this number not 0.095? How much? Tell me. Someone is telling 0.12. Tell others how much. Someone is telling 0.12. Others also tell the answer. He tells it is 0.12. One more person has tell. This is very bad. This way if you do means, see, I cannot do post-mortem here. Okay, tell the answer. Someone is telling 0.095 is wrong. How much then? He is telling 0.12. Others tell the answer. Otherwise, I will stop the class and stop once for all. Suddenly I will go and end the class. See, that's what I do sometimes. If I get angry. Okay. See, again I am asking, if 0.095 is wrong, tell the answer. Then tell the answer correctly. Because why? Because I do not want a wrong value hanging in my class permanently. This will be there in YouTube always. Tomorrow somebody may study through this one. Every people will start keep on commenting. Wrong reading like that. 0.115. Okay. Now remember this 0.115. Okay. Then this is 0.115. Number answer. How much? If it is 0.115, answer. Next time don't do it. Such things don't do in my class in future. You don't have to tell sorry. At least you see, one who is telling sorry, at least you did some calculation. I'm happy about you. At least you are showing some interest. I am blaming those who are keeping quiet. We are not participating. My angriness is for those who are not involved. Because of those people only I am going to close now. Not telling you Excel for you, foundation not continuing, the most critical part of structure engineering. You would have learned a lot of things about not only isolated. I thought I will continue isolated footing and combined footing also I have told you. 310.5. You lost a chance now. You lost a chance learning from me. Those who know me, they will tell. If you lost a chance of learning from KSN, how much is the effect means those people who know me, they will be knowing it. Okay, here. This number is 0.0, how much? Okay, this number, 0.0. Okay, this number. It is not 0.092, how much number? Tell me, this number. See, nearly 10-15 minutes wasted for no reason. Nearly 10-15 minutes wasted for no reason. This number. For 0.267 and 0.06, what is the number? From chart 50. 0.092, correct? Okay, 0.092 means answer. Answer. 0.092 into 25 into 600 into 300 square. Answer. Finally got it. Okay. See, I am not a person who gets angry in the class for wrong answer. I will tell you one thing. I am telling everywhere. I have infinite patience. In my entire teaching, for more than nearly approaching 40 years now, I never got angry even once for people giving wrong answer. But I get terribly angry when people do such mischief. Such mischief, when they make calculation mistake, when somebody keeps quiet, I get terribly angry. But you tell wrong axis, you tell wrong thing, I ask you plus or minus, you tell plus, I will tell minus, then I will tell plus correct, you will tell minus. Those things are my usual trappings are there. There, I never get angry. I never get angry and I will not get angry in future also. I told I get angry only for two reasons. One, indiscipline in the class. That is only in colleges, not here. Second one, that is terrible angry. Second one is without showing interest, telling a wrong value and telling it after some time. When I go further, post-mortem. I do not want post-mortem. 124.2. See, these things you should avoid. 124.2. Therefore, your ratio will become 100 divided by 2. 100 divided by 310.5. 310.5 to the power, how much alpha n? To the power 1.331 and 116.08 by 124.2 to the power 1.331. Now tell the answer. How much answer first? Ratio. Tell me the ratio now. Ratio. That ratio, that expression answer, LHS. Answer. 100 divided by 310.5 to the power 1.331 plus 116.08 by 124.2 to the power 1.331. Answer. See, don't delay. At least purpose is to make perfect. See, now you know how to redesign. This is more sufficient as a public video. Not public video, public class. I don't use the word video. Sometimes it is, what is the answer? 1.135. Oh, sorry. 1.135, which is more than 1. Therefore, tell the answer. Safe or not safe? Tell the answer. Safe or not safe? Therefore, safe or not safe? Is it safe or not safe? Not safe. Therefore, danger, not safe. Okay, now, write one note. Therefore, we have to go for redesign. So, first you took 2%, it came say 2.5. First you took 2.5%, it came how much? What a number came? When you took 2.5%, what a number came? I forgot the number. When you took 2.5%, what number came? I see chat box only. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time. You will take a lot of time to enter. 0.917. 0.917. That was safe. In the greediness, ase, durase, steel kamimana, I took how much? I reduced to how much percent? 1.5. First I took 2%. When I took 2%, I got 0.917. When I took 1.5%, suddenly jumped to 1.135. Therefore, required steel, actual steel required is less than 2% and more than 1.5%. Clear now? Therefore, you can tell the required steel is less than 2% but more than 1.5%. Tell me clear or not? Verdict. Required steel is less than 2% but more than 1.5%. Tell me clear or not? You are tell the required percent steel is less than 2% but more than 1.5%. Clear? You are tell clear or not? If it is clear, I will conclude now. If it is clear, I will conclude. I will not conclude, little more is there. At least one comment required, everything is clear. See, when this much effort is there, you should tell everything is clear. See, compared Zoom, see how is the board? It is a much, much better board, full page, this much big you don't get in Zoom. So, clear. Okay, now, make a note. This class is actually structural part for ETAPS and SAFE. Software not a start, I told you. Before starting the software, I have not gone there. I told all structural part. I told about beams, slabs, so many things, even some strength of materials also. SFD, BMD also I told you. Section forces, equilibrium, so many things required I told. And columns over, slabs over. Now last pending is foundation. But now remember, when you design by E-tabs, what E-tab will do is, it will do repeated trials till the number comes how much? Tell me. E-tab will give you correct requirement. See, you cannot do because trial and error. E-tab will do repeated trials. Inbuilt program is there. Within a split second, for a building, if 1,000 columns are there, 1,000 columns, remember, each column 10 story. So 10,000 values it requires. In a split second, it will do for everything. Repeated trials. Sometimes E-tab will do 10 trial, 12 trial, 13 trial. If you right click, it will tell you. My purpose is what? To make basic of E-tab knowledge clear. So our purpose is for E-tabs only. So E-tab will do it till the number comes. How much? Tell me. It will not leave. It will do the redesigns or trial and error till it gets how much? Tell me answer. E-tab is not bothered. A trial will not take a split second for it. It will do the trial and error till it get exactly 1. Not 1.99999 like that. Clear? Therefore, right here, we got less than 2%, more than 1.5%. Therefore, we cannot do like E-tab. At least we will try to get a number now which is safe, and also number should be less than 1. So anybody can try one last trial. See, therefore, one last try today. Last try. Tell what percentage? Tell me one percentage. 2% gave you 0.917. 1.135% gave you 1.135. Therefore, you tell me one magic number which you hope that it will give safe. Safe, and answer is very, very economical. Tell a percentage. 0.8%. Yes. No. I want number to be 1. 1.8. ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 1.75 is sufficient. I feel 1.75% looks like sufficient. Anyway, why take risk? Okay, 1 minute now. Okay, do one thing. I will take 1.75%. Okay, take a chance. I will take 1.75%. If 1.75% is unsafe, tell how much you can go for. If unsafe, you can go to how much? 1.8%. I think 1.75 may click. We will see at least. Therefore, change 1.75 illinda. Instead of 1.5, make it 1.75. Tell the answer. 1.75, this number, fast. 1.75 by 100, you do it. Write this number. I want one more thing now. Tell this answer. 1.75 by 25. What is the answer? 1.75 by 25. 0.07. Okay. Now, do one thing. I will take a small break because it is almost marathon 2 hours. Therefore, do one thing now. Take a rough sheet with 1.75. Change the values. Get ready. I will ask you in the class. I will take some 10 minutes break. Why? You should do change the number, change the number, change the number, change it, change it, change it, change it. But reasonably good answer. At least you right now, you change to 1.75 and I want the result. If it is unsafe, I will tell 1.8. I will give the values for you. Remember, in the group I will send example for you where 8 trials are made. I got 0.9999. It was with great effort I tried it. Someone was actually laughing. Sir, you are changing steel like 1 rupee, 2 rupee. Yes, I tried steel 1.98%, then 1.981% like that. They told this much nobody wants. I told subject control. Okay, now I will take not 5 minutes, around 10 minutes time break. During the break time, don't leave now. You change to 1.75 and do it fast. When I come back here, I will ask you, keep on telling me numbers. Agreed or not? Fast. Agreed or not? When I come back here, I will ask the number to you. Then I will tell the informed information for final steel. See, then I will tell you, after everything is over, how to decide the final steel. I will tell that one also. You are not telling. Agreed or not? For 1.75, you get the answer now. Agreed? Then I will tell you the closing part. After finalizing steel, maybe I will tell you how many bars are required. Little information. Then I will close the class. You are not telling yes. If you tell agreed. If you tell agreed means I can take a break. If you tell agreed, I can take a break. Otherwise, see, the number, some are coming, some are going. Okay, fast, do it. Those people who are going, let them go. No problem. Don't bother. I will take around, see, now it is 7:05. 7:05, 7:15 I will come back. Exact 7:15 I will come back at exact 7:15. 7:15, maybe 7:30 this class will be over. Okay, start. Don't waste time now. Fatapat make and do some accurate calculation so that no one should tell, sir, 0.14, 0.12, 0.8. That way you should not tell. Tell reasonable values so that you can conclude this question. Okay, start. Just a minute. I come now. Just a minute. We'll continue. Not much left now. Little portion left. At least now tell the answer. Don't delay. Tell the answer fast. Oh, something happened here. You agreed, but you should give the answer now. I'll change the cover here. Tell the answer here. ASC 1.75 by 100 of 300 by 600. Answer 1.75 by 100 of 300. Little fast you have to give the answer. Don't waste time now. Answer fast. How much? ASC. See, again same thing. Not I told make ready. 3150. Okay. 3150. If it is 3150, fast give the answer. Area of concrete. Area of concrete. Keep on typing the answer. Only red color value of type. Area of concrete. Area of concrete. This will change to what? Area of concrete. See, again, delay. Not participation. 176850. 176850. Then 177330 becomes 17. Okay. 176850 and here 3150. Answer PUZ. Just change the values so that at least people get 3 trials. They will learn more now. Because of these three trials, learning will be more. PUZ. $3170.812. Okay. 3170.812. Then divide by 3170.812. Answer. PU by PUZ. Keep on giving answer. PU by PUZ. Non-stop answer. PU by PUZ. See? Not giving answer. This is what I can tell for that things. You should have 0.378. Okay. 0.378. Then alpha n for 0.378 alpha n. Alpha n. Closing part. 0.378 alpha n. 1.296. Okay, thank you. 1.296. Then P by FCK 1.75 0.07. Start. For 0.07, this number mu by FCK BD square. Mu by FCK BD square. That number. It will come little more than 0.115. It will come slightly more than 0.115. I know that much. 0.125. Don't change the number now. Okay, 0.125. Then 0.125 into this number. Okay, wrong also no problem. If somebody comments later, I will tell, come in front of me and comment. Don't comment for the values which I wrote listening to students. So 0.125. But I doubt very much. 0.125, answer. 0.125 in 25 into 300 into 600 square. Answer. You don't know, people are there who unnecessary indulge in comments, trying to find mistake. 337.5. Okay. 337.5. And second one, here number. For 0.07, this number. What is number? Give me little more than 0.092. Little more than 0.092. This number. This number. Point 1. Okay. It is 0.1. If it is 0.1, 0.1 into something. Answer. Ayyo. 954 54 25 ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಾಗಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಬಿಡಿ 954 54 25 54 54 108 108 ಒಂದು 27 108 27 135 135 135 see I only calculated 135 then answer 100 by how much it is 337.5 power ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಪವರ್ power 4 where is alpha n? Hey alpha n, where are you? Alpha n 1.296 to the power 1.296 and 116.08 by 135 to the power 1.296. Tell me this number. Okay, over. Tell me this number. Someone canvassing last time Lok Sabha election are telling one number I am going to tell. This is not that way some meaningless number. 1.0285 more than 1 right here. Not safe. Okay, not safe. But remember, write a note there. Not safe, marginally unsafe right here. Not safe and marginally unsafe. Therefore, now you can't leave it. Go for 1.8%. Okay. I am 100% sure. What? 1.8% you calculate, it may come 0.99. It may come 0.99. Now you can do yourself only, tell me. So go to 1.8%. It will come almost 0.99. I told 1.75 is risk one is there. 1.8 I told surely it will come safe. Now, can you try yourself? Now homework for you. Okay, try yourself only. I'll try yourself. So I will write now conclusion part. Therefore, full I am removing now. See, full I will remove. Go for the concluding part. A little information I will give you. Announcement is there. After I conclude, a small announcement. Okay. Therefore, 1.8% you write my name. You know my name, I think. You tell, he told it will be safe. You can believe me. He is found to be safe. Okay. Imagine safe. Therefore, reinforcement required is exactly 1.8%. Therefore, area of steel is 1.8 by 100 into 300 into 600. Answer. 6 3 18 18 18 324 3240 I think, correct? See, my 18 18 I remember. Second standard. Correct answer 3240. For 1 point, no, not P by FCK. 1.8% comes safe, I told. For 1.8% you do the calculation. It will come 0.072, correct? Therefore, when you calculate, it will come safe. I told you what? You carry out the calculation. I hope that number will come to around 0.99. So you can tell safe and also very, very economical. Suppose unsafe, give 1.85. What is there? Now you understood, yes or no? You understood or not now? Tell me. You understood or not? Important is you understood or not. Yes, that is the purpose. Okay. Now, when you do redesigns, remember, you don't have to do all this calculation for the respective group. After this class is over, I will tell how to prepare Excel sheets. They will use it. General public, I am not giving Excel sheet. Okay, now concluding part. So you need 3240 steel. Now remember how many bars you have to provide. See, remember now, just rough arrangement. This is 300. This is 600. Equally steel is not possible, ignored. See, you provide 2 bars here, 2 bars here, 4 bars this way. In between put 1 bar. And this way, see, 1 minute now. If you put this way 2 bars, this gap will come around 500. Why? Around 50-50 gap. IS code will tell you between the 2 bars measured along the periphery, distance should not be more than 300. So at least 1 more bar you require. Better give extra bars. So what you do is, now see, at least this is better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So suppose I take 25 torr. Tell the answer. If I take 25 torr as per my calculation, tell me number of bars required. You can change the arrangement. See, this all will come in the ETAP class when I go to modeling, and when I tell you detailing, I will tell you floor to floor how to change the steel. I will tell you where some bars you have to continue, some lapping you have to give. That all I will tell in the ETAP class, not here. If I go for 25 torr, number of bars required. If anybody will ask me, sir, how to get the number means, I will tell leave engineering and do not talk about civil engineering once again. Not 7, tell exact number. 7 I will make it, exact number in decimal. Number of bars required. 6.6 bars. 6.6 means 7. But 7 you can't make. Why? Odd number. Make it 8 bars. So you can do one thing. 8 bars means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can give 2 more here, or you can give 2 more here. Or you can do something else. What I will do is, other way I will do it now. See, I will give 4 corner bars of 25 torr. See now, this is just the extra information. 4 corner bars of 25 torr. So, at present, how much steel provided? If I give 4 corner bars of 25 torr, at present, steel provided 1963.5 mm square. I know it because I use this number more than 19,000 times. 1963.5, correct? Now, how much further extra you require? How much further extra you require? Requirement is 3240. By providing 4 25 torr at the corner, your steel is 1963.5. So, how much further you require extra? Total required 3240. 1276.5. 1276.5. Now what I will do is, the remaining bars I will go for any diameter. Okay, I will go for 20 torr. Tell the answer. How many further 20 torr bar required? Not 4. 4 point something will come. 4 point something will come. 1256.64 is 4 of 20. So not 4. How 4? 4 point comes. 4.06. You can't make 4. So, or if I go to 16 torr, tell how many. Actually later when I go to building project there, you will be knowing, you already know the steel coming from bottom. You have to arrange it so that it matches. That matching part I will tell in the ETAP class. Here, at least to conclude, if I go for 16 torr, how much? 6.35. Little liberally, I will go for 7. I can make 8 bars. 8 means, see, 1, 2, still 6 more. I will provide 3 here. So I will make total 4 number of 25 torr, the corner bars, plus other one, plus 6 number of 16 torr. Area provided is more than required. So it is not 1.8%, it is more than 1.8%. Okay. This part is clear. Roughly, this part clear? Tell me. These are all we will discuss in the project, not now. In the project, this will be discussed in detail. Now clear? I will go for 4 of 25 torr plus 6 of 20 torr, 16 torr. Clear. Now, just to understand, I will tell one more thing. You have to provide lateral ties here and some extra links required. That lateral ties, remember, I am just telling to close the question. You first decide what is the diameter. IS code told the diameter of lateral tie should not be less than 1/4 of, you should write yourself. My class purpose is over long back. Design of column already over. Should not be less than 1/4 of diameter of largest bar. Largest bar is 25 torr. Of largest bar will come 6.25. Second one, they foolishly printed 16. It is wrong printing. It is 6 mm. You have to take whichever is higher, 6.25. 6.25 you can't give. Tell me, lateral tie, what diameter you can give? 6.25 diameter you can't give. What diameter? Tell the answer. You can go for, no, you can go for how much? 6.25 you can't give. You can go for 8 torr. And then, when you give lateral tie this way, see, this way, this is called pitch or spacing. Pitch or spacing. As per IS code, the maximum allowed pitch is 1. Least lateral dimension of cross section. How much? Least lateral dimension of cross section, that is 300. Second one, 16 times diameter of the smallest bar. Smallest bar is 16 torr, is 256. Last one, standard 300. Therefore, tell me what pitch you have to take, at least what pitch you have to take. One is 300, second is 256, next is 300. I am telling extra to conclude. Tell what is the applicable value. Among the three, applicable value, how much? Applicable is when the minimum requirement is there, highest value. When maximum limit is there, least value, 256. But 256, if you want, you can round up to 250. See, pitch should be rounded to lesser side, 250, or some will tell, okay, safer side, say 200, 8 inches, center to center. This is the lateral tie. Just I told for information sake. Clear? Just I told for information sake only. Tell me, is everything clear? If everything clear means over. I will conclude the class now. If everything is clear, conclude the class. If what I told just now, last part I just gave information. It is not my structural part here. There is no binding on me. My bind, part of all, nothing is binding for me. Clear? Okay. Now, column part I told earlier, I am going to make public not only column, the most, if the column value is some percentage, footing is furthermore. The number one critical part in a building is footing, equally column. So I first decided, in the YouTube only I will continue column and footing both, so that let maximum people get the benefit. Okay. Now, last time I told you, and today again I told you, I am not interested, not continuing. Reason, you don't deserve it. That's all my verdict. There may be few people here who are serious, they will feel, yes, I deserve it. Okay, 1-2% I cannot decide. 1 or 2% not possible. I told come in good number for live. People are, what they do, you see, first class I published for column. Already recorded more than 400 views. Among the 400, recorded 400. Those who downloaded not considered. I know it is not 400, it is more than 1000. I know it. Okay, then everybody, irrespective, I am telling, come in front of me, participate. I am doing a service-oriented class so that you benefit. You have not responded, therefore, I will tell only one word, don't deserve it. Undeserving case, I don't take. Therefore, I am going to close this YouTube class here, that's all. But remember, I may take up some more classes later because my nature is to help the people, to give knowledge. This side deliberately stopping today so that I want people who understood everything from column from my side. They should think a foundation if he has done, it would have been much easier for us. I would have completed not only isolated, also combined putting. Combined putting full not possible. I told all the principle, including the reinforcement details of that also. Now, that is your problem. So therefore, I am going to close. But one thing, I may come up with some extra part. See, my purpose is basically not financial matter. My purpose always education. So, in the RCC, so many people are asking me, sir, teach us pile foundation. I cannot make a batch only for pile foundation. Shear wall, then staircase, some special designs, or some common mistake committed in the design, or some special type of designs, which are very important practically. I may announce some classes. I will tell, open to public. I am not giving batch for that one. Regular batch I will not do it. But open to public, maybe pile foundation. So many are asking me, sir, pile foundation, please take that also. There are so many parts like that are there. So such things, I may start in YouTube when I get a free time. I will make an announcement there. It is not demo class. Demo class I give when I start a course, my personal course. That is, people have to enroll for that one. That is the ETAP class, etc. Here, I will put new course in YouTube. I will put a course and I will talk something there. No introduction. Like what? One example. Why? You already know me. I will tell, if you don't know me, go earlier and see. I will announce a class. I will announce a class. Take continuously for maybe 3-4 days. That's our short duration. 3-4 days. Each of around 2 hours like that. Maybe pile foundation. I will completely clear it. All the people, so many people want pile foundation. Tell yes or no. So many want pile foundation. Tell me yes or no. So many are there who are asking me, sir, pile foundation, make a batch. You are not answering. There are so many people who want pile foundation and some extra in RCC which are required. Some special staircase design. Like what? Some special staircase designs are there, and then maybe some retaining walls, some small retaining walls, some water tank part. Water tank nowadays nobody interested too much. And further important, I told so many parts are there, and sometimes some common mistake committed, some IS code requirement detailing part, some critical detailing part are there, where you have to satisfy the requirement. Okay, those things all. Earthquake concept I am telling in ETAP batch. Why bother? See, earthquake part I am telling in the ETAP batch. I committed. Someone commented earthquake. It will come in the ETAP batch. When I continue the course there, it will come in the ETAP batch. Why bother worry? See, etc. Earthquake is the main, my ETAP batch, main number one is earthquake only there. Notes for which one? Notes for which one? You can call me later. This notes, if it is sent, it will be sent for the respective group of RCC and ETAPs, not here. General public, I can't send notes. Okay. Okay, I will do that one. And remember, if I announce a class, maybe for pile foundation, I may announce, but I will put a condition there. I do not want to take a class with 10-15 people there, not 3, 4, 5. I will tell there, at least this much life should be there. Because when I take a class, I know my value. If that much people are not there, I will announce the class, start the class and stop the class. That's all. So you should, at that time, you should share it and see that more and people attend it. Your responsibility, because why? It is service oriented class. So further I will not tell. So if you are not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, you get notification. That's all I will tell. I won't use the word please subscribe, please share, like. I never tell that way. Okay, therefore now time is approaching 7:45. See, actually I do not want to terminate this class now. I want to continue the footing part in the YouTube. But I decided, no, I should not continue. I decided I should not continue. If I continue, it is not good. People should get awakened. They should know the value of education. For that reason, I am stopping here now this live streaming. I announced a time at 8 o'clock. You saw there, I thought maybe up to 7:38 required. In your, I given 8 o'clock, yes or no? RCC group, or ETAPS group and RCC group, I have sent the Zoom link, password, etc. I told 8 o'clock, correct? Why? Yes, I told 8 o'clock. So do one thing now. Now it is 7:45. To set the Zoom class, it will take 10 minutes. Why worry? So I will continue at 8 o'clock. So 8 p.m. I will continue. Not here. This class I am ending now. Over. Further, if I do any course, I will announce it. So I will close this class. 8 o'clock login. I will do one thing now. For this today's column part, I will explain to you how to create the Excel sheet today. Do you want or not? Very useful for you practically. If you do not want, I will start foundation. For the column design, back cell bending, how to prepare Excel sheet. If you want, tell me. Otherwise, you need not tell now. I don't have to prepare for foundation. Not that I should go and study foundation now. I will go and watch some news items only now. You want that Excel sheet preparation? Yes. Okay, now 8 o'clock, we will continue our normal course in Zoom, where I will explain how to create Excel sheet, and today's class example next week 5-10 minutes after Tushar gets it ready. I will tell you, give the input. He will spread in the group. You type and check what all values you got today, you get it. See, when I put 1.75%, it will give you 1.08. When I put 1.8%, it will give you how much? It will give you maybe 0.99. Okay. So, for all others, those who are public, not in any group, you as usual, I wish them all the best in future in the structural engineering field. Okay, thank you. I am going to close it now, this class. No more classes here now. Same thing will apply for my BSK class also. SFD, BMD, I started. Little more portion, I will continue live there in YouTube. Then I will stop there. And once again, bending test, I am not doing there. Bending test will be only for the people who are actually in my group. Okay, thank you. Log in at exact 8 o'clock. Maybe 2-3 minutes this side, that side. It is already 7:45. I have to set the Zoom. Already I have given the link for you. 8 o'clock, you log in and I will continue. Okay, thank you.